Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode of Keona's Kitchen. This is episode 2, and I'm so excited because I'm showing you guys how I made my Jamaican Plant Patties, which is just a rendition of Jamaican beef patties. I grew up eating these, and I was really craving them, so I decided to just go ahead and make them from scratch. So here I am starting with the dry mix for the dough. But before we get too far into this recipe, I do want to note that I checked my analytics and it says that 96.8 of you guys are returning viewers who are not subscribed. So if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button. I'm really on my way to 1,000 subscribers and I would love to get there soon. I appreciate all the support, love, comments, likes that you guys give. And let's head into this recipe. So this is my first time making these, and I kind of followed 2 separate recipes. One, which was just a traditional beef patty, like with actual meat patty recipe, and then one was a veganized version. And I find that sometimes veganized versions of things can be a little too healthy, if you know what I'm saying. So I kind of mixed the 2 recipes, which is why you see that rapid rise yeast on the side. I thought I was going to need it, but I actually didn't. But yeah, here I am making the dough. It was fairly simple to make. One tip is to grate your butter, and the other tip is to make sure that you use ice cold water when making your dough. You want everything to be super cold. Once your dough is complete, you want to put it into the refrigerator to continue chilling while you make the filling for the patties. So for the filling, I use the Gardein style crumbles. I find that this one has way less ingredients than some other brands, and I also knew how it tasted, so I was like, this would work good for a beef style patty. So yeah, I'll add on all my seasoning, aromatics, and get that going. Give you amenities, we put them make you dance. Y'all make you back up with the standing mic. It's ring and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad. It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at. Where you at? And I love you every day. I'm an answer, the money I go pay. Not gonna lie, this was a long ass process. I don't know why. Also, I started this at midnight. I am insane sometimes. So in between the filling, like chilling down, because you have to do everything cold, and the dough still being in the refrigerator, I cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. But once the dough was ready, I started rolling it out. This can make you 8 big patties or like 16 mini patties. I made a combination of both, again, because I'm insane. So it's really up to you. I kind of like the smaller ones better because then you can eat more and they're like guilt-free, you know.
Girl, I get the money if you make you mine, oh. If you love in every night, you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Thinking I love you every day. Diamond dancing, my money I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, J's. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on me, play. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. Psycho, make a drop it psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drop me psycho. Baby, if you dirty, don't they make me mad, oh. Make you sing to the mic. Girl, you are that.
And then you want to bake them in the oven at 350 for around like 25 to 30 minutes. I don't ever know measurements of anything, time of anything, like just check it, and when it's golden brown, take it out. But yeah, these came out like really, really good. My mom liked them, my friends liked them, like they were really good. I'm gonna make more. Here you see me making a lazy ass smoothie and wrap. This was like post gym. I like came home, took a shower, and was like, oh my god, I just want to knock out, but I needed to eat something first, so I made this smoothie. The only difference between this one and the one in the last episode is that I used okra water because I just had okra water in the refrigerator and I need to use it up. So if you really hate the slime of okra water, I suggest putting it in a smoothie.
Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at a dime. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, DT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at a dime. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, that's a Crenshaw. The way that I've been living, unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things that started getting tense off. Think we need to have a sun adventure.
Okay, here I'm making some dinner with a bunch of leftovers. First tip, if you don't massage your kale, it's not gonna come out right. You have to massage it, make love to it on your cutting board before you start cooking it. It breaks down the fibers, it makes it easier to digest, and it just like tastes better that way, so just do it. And I'm having with that some quinoa that I meal prepped like earlier in the week, and then some of the beef, in quotation marks, meat that I made from the beef patties. Like I ended up having a little bit extra of the filling compared to the dough, so I just like saved it, and yeah, I'm just having that all together on a plate with like a little salad that I chopped up on top. This was actually really, really good because that beef stuff from the patties is like really spicy, so like all together it was great flavor.
I felt like I love you too much to change you. You believe in angels more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I had, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish you stay the same. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm outside. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at a dime. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, that's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn a phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG.
If you don't listen to anything else I tell you in life, do not buy this fucking pizza. It was an absolute waste of my time, my resources, my money, my taste buds. It was a waste of calories. It was a waste, complete waste altogether. I don't know how did this pass production? I have no idea. Do not buy this pizza. You can see it in my face, like I hate it.
I was pulling off what they do me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me and three of me when it was you and me. I felt like I loved you too much to change you. You believe in angels more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I had, what I had to exchange for you.
Okay, so growing up, my mom always used to make this dish for me and my sister called pepper steak, where she would take little strips of steak, put it together with onions and bell peppers, and it would be in a little gravy, and we used to have it with rice or mashed potatoes. And I really was craving that, although I have not had steak in years, but I was like, I could probably make the same thing with mushrooms, so that's what I did. So yeah, I cut up some onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms that I had in the refrigerator, put them together, and added vegetable stock to form a broth. Wrong here. Well, it didn't come out wrong. It came together in the end, but I realized what I should have done was taken a little bit of the sauce out of the pan and mixed it together with the flour separately to get out all the chunks, because when I added it directly into the pan, it just took a while to break up all the flour chunks. So yeah, that's what I would do differently, but it still came out really good. The mashed potatoes were delicious, garlicky, and I also added some thyme in there. And then of course kale is the vegetable of choice always. So I had it on the side with some kale, and it was really, really good. I will definitely make that again as well. that's all for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, commenting, liking, subscribing, and all that great stuff. If you have any suggestions of food that I should make, or you want a full recipe to anything, just let me know. I'm super friendly, so don't hesitate to ask any questions, and I will see you guys in episode 3. Bye!